Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App for freelancers and how to get paid. First, make sure you are fully signed up in your Cash App account. Then, tap your profile icon and scroll to find your unique dollar cash tag. This is your personal payment link and it's what you will send to the clients. They can pay via debit card even though they don't have the Cash App account. You can also generate a direct payment request by tapping request button on your Cash App, entering their phone number and email and the amount they owe you, and then in Cash App you will get the payment instantly. No need to wait 2 to 3 days. You can also set up automatic deposits to your bank if you don't want to keep money in the app. For tax season, make sure you download your payment history by going to Cash App's website. It's important to keep a record if you're earning regularly. So I hope this video was helpful to all the freelancers and the creators who are getting their payment through Cash App. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe before going, and also don't forget to ring the bell to get notified every time we upload any more other solving tutorials. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Take care till then.